اكبر غلط عمله رونالدو ان هو بقى يوتيوبر.
It's a dream.
It's a dream to win the World Cup. No, it's not a dream.
But World Cup, it's a dream. It's a dream.
شوف اللي مركب الفيديو ده عالمي.
Everything can change in one.
Portugal, the Argentina. You score two, Messi scores two. The last minute, 94th minute, you score a third for your hat trick and you win the World Cup. Is that? Be honest.
It's too good. Come
Is
on.
that the dream?
It's too good. I didn't expect
عايشه
that.
حلم يا عيني.
Too good dream.
وبعد كده ميسي فوقه من الحلم في 2022.
Come on.
That's the
You
dream.
can score another player. I don't care. I don't care. If the Portugal be in a final and score, even the goalkeeper, I will be the most happy man in the world.
To win one competition.
But if this happen, come on.
6 games, 7 games.
6 جيمز. طب فوز فيهم يا رونالدو.
You think it's fair?
كاس
You
العالم.
retire, right?
هذا عدل.
100%.
Everything can change in one.
I hope so. I joke
والله
with
صعبان عليك.
Casemiro and I say the final will be Portugal Brazil. Wow, will be a dream. To be honest, it's World Cup. It's the most difficult competition in the world. I dreaming on that. I know will be tough, will be difficult, but dreaming it's free, and I dreaming all the time. So for me, the most important thing it's to be there, to compete. In my opinion, probably will be the best World Cup ever. Let's see.
I will say I will finish football this season.
هو ده اللي حصل يا رونالدو.
الكرة انتهت إلى زوال من بعدك يا بولجا. بحت الصوت في أهدافك، بح الصوت
شيل يا طويل العمر شيل.
فكيف لا يذبح الصوت في ألقابك وأغلى بطولاتك يا ليو. شيل يا طويل العمر شيل، شيل يا طويل العمر شيل.
ليه يا رونالدو عملت ليه بتنافس ميسي؟ ليه بتحطه في دماغك؟
شيل الذهب شيل.
انت بقيت مسخره بصراحه بسبب التصريحات دي.